Hey everybody, welcome back. My name's Jeremy, this is my garage. So today, on our third video, I'm going to be tackling the modifications to these inner wheel wells. I have a new set of seats that I brought over that are the OEM seats from a Puma era Defender 90. So you may or may not know that this is being a 1997 Defender 90. The profile of the wheel wells are different in the Defender, the newer ones versus the old ones. So I need to modify these to match the Puma series so the seats will fit. So I brought this in from CSK Automotive over there in the UK. This is a pre-cut profile. It's going to go right in there. So what I've got is I've got it marked out. I've got to cut this away and then rivet that piece in and seal it all. The new seats, the reason I'm going to the new seats is because they're forward-facing seats. They're the more modern, more safe ones, and I've got a young son who loves to sit back here in the jump seats, but they're not really that safe, so I want to put forward-facing proper shoulder belts. You can get them from these type of seats, forward-facing seats, that is a little less work by, you can get them from Exmoor where they've got the flip-away seats. However, I like the OEM Land Rover ones because when they're folded down, there's more space in between them. They also therefore match my OEM front seats. I bought them as a set, and that's just the route I've decided to go. So you could do it the easier way without the modification, but there is some trade-off. So next step, I've got it marked out here. Next step is cut away, and then I'll put these in. They fit right in, nice and tight. I checked it from the other underside, and there's very, very little gap between the cut and the plate. So I did the other side as well, which you can't see, but I got both pieces in. And next, I'm going to set them up to rivet, and then I'm going to be using a polyurethane polyurethane sealant that goes in there to bond it to the nice and tight to the aluminum, and then start putting it back together. Well, there we have it, all done. I put all the rivets in with all the adhesive. Actually, I missed one rivet there. I'll get that in a sec. But yeah, there she looks. What do you think? I haven't done the other side yet, but I'll pop that one in next. And I think the next step is going to be to put my undercoating now that I'm done with all the work on the underside. I'm going to undercoat the other side to get it all sealed up, and then start the next step in here will be putting the sound deadener over the whole back area here. So that'll be my next video. So once again, hit subscribe down below if you want to keep up on what I'm doing on this Rover. If you have any comments, any suggestions, I welcome them. Please leave them in the comment section below, and we'll see you on the next video.